Carolina Gold Lamb Lollipops. Let's get involved, people. Come on. Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Wil Blumberg, and tonight, guys, we're going to be cooking up some incredible Carolina Gold grilled lamb lollipops. Carolina Gold grilled lamb lollipops. Can you get that, Jeff? We got that one? All right, cool. All right, so who do we have coming over tonight, guys? We have Matt Horhoda. He's gonna be playing some bass for us. We also have Alex Sears on keys, and we have Chris Underdal that's gonna be on guitar. He's a newcomer, so we're gonna see how it goes, and myself, Wil Blumberg, on drums. So without further ado, people, let's get involved. Boom. I also want to give out a quick shout out to my buddy Heath. Heath, thank you so much for this lovely board. This thing is awesome. Thank you so much. I'm gonna be using the you know what out of this thing. Time to get in some of these lamb lollipops. So here we go. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get these ready to go. Get them all ready with some salt. I'm just gonna salt them down. You guys enjoy these jams, like and subscribe. You guys know the drill. Come on. We let them set up for just a minute, and then we're gonna be popping them on the green egg. I've got the green egg set about 500 degrees. It's gonna be kind of hot and fast. And I've got this wonderful mustard sauce, Carolina mustard sauce I'm gonna be making for them, and I'm gonna be basting them along the way. So you guys enjoy the ride. Here we go. We are all salted down on these lollipops. We're gonna be popping them on the green egg here in just a second and be making the sauce. So here we go. Okay. All right, here we go, folks. Let's get these guys on. While these are cooking, we're gonna get this sauce going. So here we go. Got my saucepan. Time to start getting this sauce going. So we're gonna be using some yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, smoked paprika, going in with a ½ a teaspoon. We're going in with a teaspoon of garlic powder now. Going in with a teaspoon of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried chives, 2 tablespoons of honey, and salt and pepper to taste. Time to sauce them up. Alright guys, we are ready to start sampling this lamb lollipop. Hope you guys are ready. Hope you guys are ready. We're gonna bring them on. We're gonna bring the guys in. We've got a newcomer over here. His name is Chris. He's gonna come in. He's gonna be on guitar tonight. So what's up, Chris? Come on down.
Chilling.
How's it going, man?
Doing well, man.
You excited?
Dude, so stoked.
Oh man, I can't wait for some of these jams tonight. And I can't wait to get into some of this lamb lollipops. It's gonna be
You're
so
killing
good.
me. You're killing me.
I know. I've been holding out on you, dude. And I'm also gonna bring the other guys in as well. Come on down and check it out. What's up, Alex? How's it going,
Hey,
bud?
what's up, Will?
Good to see you, buddy.
Ooh, mustard.
Hey, we got Matt.
How you
What's
doing?
up, Bubba? Michelle back here. What's up? You excited?
Yeah.
All right, guys, without further ado, let's grab a leg or grab a pop and just check it out. See what's going on. Yeah, just gonna get in, guys. Get in quick. Here, you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're waiting for that one.
Cheers.
Oh, yeah.
Sweet.
Cheers.
Yeah, yeah. Go for it.
Yeah, do it. You wanna touch me?
Cheers. Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, baby.
Ooh.
Yes.
So it's got like a Carolina mustard sauce that I've done.
Yes, it does.
Oh, wow.
Oh, baby.
That's delightful.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
The sauce complements the meat so good.
Very nice.
It's not overbearing, it's delicious.
Yeah, I think it's right in the sweet spot. Right there. The honey's really kicking in there, too.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep.
Ooh, cool, guys.
A little bit of fat on the side. Oh my god.
I'm not even a mustard guy.
Oh, okay. All right, well, cool. Well, I'm glad you're enjoying that. I'm a big mustard person myself. I love
Same.
mustard.
Mustard is so good on everything.
I think pretty much out of all the barbecue sauces out there,
Oh, yeah.
mustard, and I'm good. Anyway, guys, I hope these jams are as good as these lollipops over here. I'm gonna get a few more guys over here. We're gonna check them out. And yeah, we've got James Salzer over here. Cooper Dunn, you wanna come in?
Get involved.
Get in here.
Oh boy, look at that. It's like quite a spread, huh?
Oh man. Ooh.
That's great.
Simply good.
Oh yeah.
So good.
Dude, that's money right there.
Yes, it is.
James Salzer, you wanna grab one? Come on, man.
Oh God!
He's excited. He loves lamb.
Oh God!
do
I
too.
love lamb so
My
much.
favorite.
They have like a lamb loin chop that's really, really good. Is it called loin chop? It kind of looks like it's got like a tenderloin on one side.
God,
Oh yeah.
I don't never
Yeah,
get to eat
yeah.
lam. I don't
Dude,
ever get
those
to eat
things
it.
They're so
are
good.
off the charts.
So
Those are
good.
so
My
good.
wife
I want to
doesn't
call them
like lamb.
like little lamb.
But this is
Yeah,
wonderful.
Exactly. Yeah, we got a wonderful over here. Thank you very much, Salzer. Looking good, buddy. Sweet. Guys, we're gonna tear up these lamb lollipops. We're gonna catch you guys back here in a little bit. Like and subscribe. Go check out these jams. Come on, let's get involved, people. Okay, guys, we had an excellent show tonight. Oh my God, those lollipops were incredible. What'd you guys think of those lollipops? Insane.
Yes.
Oh my God. Amazing. Woo! Finger looking good, guys. So good. Well, we have a new guest over here. His name is Chris Underdal, and I want to hook him up with some merch from the merch company, by the way. Thank you very much, Derek Enter. So, what's up, dude? I'm gonna hook you up with a hat.
Beautiful.
And I'm gonna be hooking you up with a shirt.
Let's see this bad boy.
Looking sweet, looking sweet.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, and it's official. You've been BBQ Jam. Oh my God, guys, it was incredible. What a great jam tonight, and the food was excellent. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, liking, subscribing, and all of that fun stuff. So, without further ado, we're gonna catch you guys next time. Let's get involved. Bam! Woo. All right. BBQ Jam. BBQ Jam. Come on, baby.